Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great and having an amazing day. Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question. Why do some people master a new skill in just a few months, while others spend years learning and still make little progress? Is it because they're smarter, more talented? Not really. The truth is, they simply know how to learn better. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful strategies that can help you learn almost any skill up to 10 times faster. Whether you want to learn AI, coding, video editing, a new language, or even start a business, these methods can completely change the way you learn. So let's get started. The first strategy is simple. Learn by doing. Most people spend hours watching tutorials, reading books, and taking notes. They feel productive, but they're not actually building the skill. Imagine someone who wants to learn swimming. They watch hundreds of videos about swimming techniques, but never enter the water. Will they become a good swimmer? Of course not. The same is true for every skill. If you want to learn video editing, edit videos. If you want to learn AI automation, build automations. If you want to learn public speaking, start speaking. Knowledge becomes a skill only when you use it. The second strategy is the 8-0-2-0 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. In almost every skill, around 20% of what you learn gives you 80% of the results. Instead of trying to learn everything, focus on the few things that matter most. For example, if you're learning English, don't memorize thousands of random words. Learn the most common words that people use every day. If you're learning video editing, master the basic cuts, transitions, sound, and storytelling before worrying about advanced effects. Learning less, but learning the right things will make you improve much faster. The third strategy is deliberate practice. Most people repeat what they're already comfortable doing. But real improvement happens when you practice the parts that challenge you. Think about a basketball player. They don't become better by only making easy shots. They improve by practicing the difficult ones over and over again. Every mistake is feedback. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Instead of avoiding your weaknesses, train them. That's where real progress begins. The fourth strategy is remove distractions and focus deeply. Today, our biggest enemy isn't a lack of information. It's too much information. One notification, one message, or one quick look at social media can break your concentration. Before you know it, an hour is gone. Try studying or practicing with your phone out of reach. Turn off notifications. Give yourself 1 hour of complete focus. You'll be surprised how much more you can learn in 60 focused minutes than in 4 distracted hours. The fifth strategy is teach what you learn. This is one of the fastest ways to understand something deeply. If you can explain a topic in simple words, if you truly understand it. If you struggle to explain it, that's a sign you need to learn it better. You don't need a classroom to teach. Explain it to a friend, a family member, or even to yourself. Teaching forces your brain to organize information clearly, making it easier to remember. Now, imagine 2 friends. Both want to learn the same skill. The first friend spends every day watching videos and telling himself he'll start tomorrow. The second friend watches one lesson, practices immediately, focuses on the most important concepts, removes distractions, and teaches what he learns. After 6 months, who do you think will become more skilled? The answer is obvious. Success doesn't come from consuming information. It comes from applying it consistently. Finally, remember that learning is not a race. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You only need to become a little better than yesterday. If you practice for just 1 focused hour every day, that's more than 365 hours in a year. Imagine where you'll be 1 year from now if you never stop learning. Every expert was once a beginner. Every master once made mistakes. The only difference is that they didn't give up. So choose one skill you've always wanted to learn. Start today. Take one small step. keep practicing. So, stay consistent. Your future self will thank you for the effort you make today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future lessons. And remember this, talent may open the door, but consistent learning is what changes your life.